This video is for class 6 mathematics, and in this video we are learning constructions, right? Construction, sorry. In this we are learning how to draw a line segment, then number 2 we are also learning how to draw perpendicular bisector, and number 3 we are learning how to draw angle of 60°, and number 4 we are learning how to draw an angle of 120°. So these are our 4 targets to be completed under the topic construction. So regarding the definition, we have already discussed in our theory classes, right? So let us begin with drawing the line segment. So here you can see I have already drawn one line. Okay, this line supposed to have the front arrow and the ending arrow, right? And on this line I am trying to draw one line segment of 8 centimeter, right? So here you can see I'm taking the first mark, the 0 mark, right? I'm taking the 0 mark, and then I'm taking the 8 centimeter mark, right? So I marked the first point and the ending point. I marked the first point and ending point. The first point represented by A, and the next point represented by B. This is how we are supposed to draw line segment. This is how we are supposed to draw line segment. So I can write line segment. AB is equal to 8 centimeter. So line segment AB equals to 8 centimeter. So our first target is over. The second target was perpendicular bisector. So we shall divide this line into 2 equal halves with the help of a perpendicular, with the help of a normal, right? With the help of a line which divides this particular line segment into 2 equal halves. Okay, so let us do the second step. The second one is to draw the perpendicular bisector. For that I have taken a compass and I have taken an arc of a compass such that it is slightly more than 4 centimeter. Okay, it's slightly more than the 4 centimeter, and I am drawing 2 arcs, one at the top and other at the below, by keeping the needle of the compass at B, that's the ending point, and I shall keep the needle at A and then start drawing another arc, okay, such that this arc intersects the previous arc at the top, and I am drawing one arc at the below the line also, so that also intersects the previous arc, right? So here you can see I got 2 different points, right? I got 2 different points, this point here and the lower point at the bottom. So now these 2 points needs to be joined with the help of a ruler. Okay, so I'm trying to join them with the help of a ruler. Okay, you can draw a line of any length. Now the main thing here is this line should divide the line segment into 2 equal halves. Here you can see the first half is of 4 centimeter. The second half from here to here is also 4 centimeter, because the number from 4 to 8 is 4 centimeter. 1 2 3 4. So I hope you have understood till here, right? So let us go to the third part, is the construction of 60°. The third part is the construction of 60°. So let us begin with the steps. Okay, so I'll be talking, right? You can write down the steps, or you can rewind this particular video to watch these steps again and again, right? I've taken the shot in slow motion so that you'll understand better. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm drawing a line. Okay, I'm drawing a line segment rather. Okay, and with the starting point O, and on that line segment I shall put the arrow so that it will represent one ray. Okay, so first step, draw one line. Okay, this is how we are supposed to draw a line. I hope you everybody can do this. Okay, the line can be of any length. Now I am writing a starting point, that is O, right, and then I shall put one arrow on the other side so that this will represent a ray. Now our ray is complete, and the name of the ray will be OA. So I'm supposed to construct 60-degree on this particular ray only, so that O becomes my vertex. So now I need the help of a compass. Okay, so to adjust the compass, I am just trying to teach how to adjust the compass and the tip of the pencil, right. So first thing, you need to insert the pencil in the compass. Okay, and then rotate the screw such that the pencil becomes tight. Okay, so but before that, what I need to do is I need to make sure the tip of the compass and the tip of the pencil are aligned. That means they fall on the surface of the paper at the same time, such that the one side is not long, the other side is not short. Okay, so here what I'm doing is I'm making sure both of them touches the paper at the same time, and then I shall rotate the screw so that it holds the pencil properly, right, such that the pencil is not loose. Now I think it's tight enough. If it is not, then we can adjust it afterwards also. So my tip of the compass and my tip of the pencil are aligned, so it is ready for use. So the last minute adjustments. Okay, so you can see here the tip and the pencil are at the same distance. Okay, so now what will I do is I'll keep the tip of the compass at my starting point, that is O, that's the vertex, and I can take the arc of any length. Okay, since the space is less, so I'm taking a small arc. Okay, you could have taken a bigger arc also, but it does not make any difference. So I shall keep the tip of the compass at the initial point O, that will become my vertex. Okay, so then what will I do is I'll draw one arc, okay, such that it intersects the ray at one point, such that it intersects the ray at one point. So here is my intersection. Okay, here is my intersection here. So this is my intersection. Okay, here, so this is my intersection. So once it has intersected, I shall use the same point to keep the tip of my compass. Okay, that intersected point, the blue mark which I had drawn. So I'm keeping the compass at that particular point only, and without changing the arc of the compass, I am drawing another arc such that it intersects my previous arc drawn. Okay, it intersects my previous arc drawn. Okay, now here when I remove the compass, you will be able to see, okay, the arc drawn. So here is the point of intersection, here is the point of intersection, the second point of intersection. Thus by joining these 2 points, right, we shall get 60-degree. Okay, thus by joining these 2 points we should get 60-degree, like this here. Okay, thus I can write a B at the top such that angle AOB becomes 60-degree. So I hope you have understood the construction of 60-degree. Now let us go to the construction of 120-degree. To construct 120-degree, first we need to follow the steps of constructing 60-degree. We need to draw one ray, right, like OA, like before. Okay, then with the help of a compass, right, so I have already adjusted the compass. Now with the help of a compass, I need to draw one arc, right, with the needle keeping at the initial point O, right. So I have already drawn one arc such that it intersects the ray at one point. So now from that particular point I am drawing another arc such that it intersects the previous arc at this point. Now from the previous arc and the new arcs intersection, I am drawing another arc such that we have three arcs now, like this. First arc, second arc, and the third arc. Till here it is like construction of 60-degree. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, now this is my final arc. Okay, I need to join this point here and this point here such that I shall get 120 degree. So now with the help of a ruler and a pencil, I am joining these 2 points, and thus by joining these 2 points I shall get 120 degree. Joining these 2 points I shall get 120 degree. You can verify it with the help of a protractor. Okay, you can verify it with the help of a protractor. Now I have marked the last arrow as B. So by keeping the protractor, I can see here the angle is 120 degree here. The angle is 120 degree here because the 0 of the protractor should be placed at the first vertex of the angle. So it is 120 degree. So I hope you have understood how to draw this particular angle, that is angle 120 degree. Therefore I can write angle AOB as 120 degree.